Alright, so tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to send an email. So first of all, you need to have a Google account. If you don't have one, it's pretty simple to make. You just go to google.com and then just create an account, and then you will be going here to Gmail and click on that, and then it'll open up your account. If you have anything like me, then you have a bunch of random stuff in here. To send an email, you're going to click on Compose, and then you're going to type in the email address of the person that you are sending the email to, or if you have a contact, then you will just type in their name. I'll send an email to let's see who we got here. I'll send it to myself, just because I don't want to really bug anybody with getting spam. So you click on the person, or you type the whole email address in. So I'll just type my whole address in. And then hit enter. And then you're going to want to put a subject in there. So you click on the subject box, and then you type a subject of your email. For this one, it'll be the IPNT 371 screencast assignment. And then in here, you type a letter. Hi. And then you can hit enter, and it's just like writing a normal letter. Write whatever you want in here. Random stuff that might be important. And then you can just close the letter. Sincerely. I don't think I spelled that right. Sincere. There we go. And then down here you can do some different formatting. You can make some of the letters bold, italicize, underline it. You can change the colors. You can align it differently. It's basically like a Word document. You can attach files here. We'll say I wanted to attach a screenshot of my schedule last year. I'm going to click on that and then hit open, and then it'll upload onto the file, and then as soon as you're done with that, you send it. And that is how you send an email.